In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Gmail emails. We'll walk through the basic steps so you can make your emails clearer, more professional, and easier to read using the tools built right into Gmail. You don't need any extra software for this, just your Gmail account open in a web browser. First, start by opening Gmail and signing in if you're not already. Once you're on your main inbox page, look for the Compose button. It's usually located on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click Compose. This opens a new message window where you can enter the recipient's email address, your subject line, and your message. Before we start changing how the text looks, click inside the main message area where you would normally type your email. This makes sure Gmail knows you want to work with the body of the email. Now, at the bottom of that Compose window, you'll see a toolbar with several icons. Look for the one that says AA or looks like a small formatting icon. This is the button that opens Gmail's text formatting options. Click on AA. When you click it, a formatting menu will appear. Here, Gmail shows you a range of options. You can change the font style, adjust the size of the text, make text bold, italic, or underlined, and change the color. You'll also see tools to create numbered or bulleted lists, adjust alignment, and even clear formatting if you want to go back to plain text. From this point on, simply follow the on-screen prompts. For example, if you want to make part of your email bold, highlight the text first, then click the bold icon in the formatting bar. If you want to change the font size, select your text, choose the size from the drop-down, and Gmail will apply it immediately. You'll see each change happen in real time as you click the different options. A helpful tip is to type out your full message first, then go back and format the important parts. Headings, key dates, action items, or anything you want to stand out. This keeps your writing flow natural, and the formatting step becomes a quick polish at the end. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, just review your email as usual, add the recipient and subject if you haven't already, and click send.